Hello and welcome back to another holistic education video. In this video, we're continuing our series on the 25 hardest SAT math problems of this year according to Prep Maven. In this video, we'll be tackling problem number 13, which gives us two equations, negative 3x plus y equals 6 and ax plus 2y equals 4. And it says, in the system of equations above, a is a constant. For which of the following values of a does the system have no solution? Negative 6, negative 3, 3, or 6. So, we have to remember how systems of equations work. So we have two linear equations which correspond to two lines on a graph. So let's say we have some graph. There are three options for how these lines could behave. We could have the two lines intersect at some point, which would give us a single solution to the system of equations. Or we could have that the two lines were the same line, in which case every point on the lines would be solutions to the system of the equation. There'd be infinitely many solutions. Or lastly, we could have the two lines are parallel and they never intersect, in which case there are no solutions to the systems of equations. So in this problem, when it says what value of a does the system have no solution, that's another way of saying for what value of a are these two lines parallel to each other. Parallel meaning they have the same slope but different y-intercepts. So I'll write that again. We're looking for parallel lines, which means that they have the same slope but different y-intercepts. Okay, so we have our two equations, which I'll write out right here. We have negative 3x plus y equals 6 and ax plus 2y equals 4. And the easiest way to figure out what the slopes and y-intercepts of these equations are to rewrite them in slope-intercept form. Pretty straightforward. So for this first equation, negative 3x plus y equals 6, if we were to just add 3x to both sides, then we would get y equals 3x plus 6. And this has our slope of 3 and our y-intercept of 6. So I'll write this up here. Y equals 3x plus 6. For the second one, we have ax plus 2y equals 4. If we subtract negative ax from both sides, we get 2y equals negative ax plus 4. If we divide by 2 on both sides, we get y equals negative a over 2 x plus 2. So now I'll write this up here. Our second equation in slope-intercept form is y equals negative a over 2 x plus 2. So now we have our two equations in slope-intercept form, and we can see that they definitely do not have the same y-intercept. This has a y-intercept of 6, this has a y-intercept of 2, so this first criterion is checked. That's good to go. The second criterion is that they have to have the same slope. So this 3 has to be equal to this negative a over 2. But that's very simple to figure out. We can just set them equal to each other and solve for a. So if we do that, we can multiply by 2 on both sides. We get 6 equals negative a. And then, of course, divide by negative 1. And we get a equals negative 6. A equals -6 is our final answer, and that corresponds to answer choice A. So once again, if A equals -6, this value of -a/2 will equate to 3, and then this equation will have the same slope as this equation while having different y-intercepts, which means that these lines will have the same slope, different y-intercepts, they will be parallel, there will be no solutions to the systems of equations. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.